Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to cancel YOUKU subscription. So if you want to cancel the YOUKU subscription, it is actually very simple. You'll have to go to the platform from where you purchase the VIP subscription on YOUKU. Normally you do it from the Play Store, so simply open the Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here at third, you'll be able to find this option for payments and subscriptions. Tap on this option, payments and subscriptions. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options related with payments and subscriptions over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for subscriptions. So what you have to do is tap on this option, subscriptions, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your subscriptions over here. Right now I do not have subscription to the YOUKU, but I'll tell you what to do. So simply find the option for YOUKU. Over there you'll also be able to find the option for cancel subscription. All you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, follow through the prompts in order to confirm the cancellation. After you do that, your subscription will be officially cancelled. So like this you'll be able to cancel it. So that is how you cancel YOUKU subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.